Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Tell me what we got, Bobby.
I'm about ready to beat off the seal.
Beat off.
Beat off the seal. That sounds like something the walrus did. Did you hear about the walrus that went to the mechanic shop?
No.
Mechanic comes out and goes, looks like you blew a seal. Walrus goes, what I do in my bedroom is my own business. Anyway, axle seal. That's 61 years old. That was fucking
Yay!
easy.
It's out.
Look at how scuzzy that is,
Oh my
boys and
God,
girls.
that thing is nasty.
That's the original, though. It says Fomoco on it. I know the other one does for sure.
Damn.
All right, one out, one to go.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen, and that's how you do it.
Shout out to Wick. We borrowed his.
Yes, Wick, thank you, sir. We greatly appreciate it.
I know I have one, but it's, yeah, somewhere. Scotty's trying to fix that situation with me.
Yeah.
I'm a mess.
No, not you. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we'll leave him alone to do whatever he does in his bedroom alone. But, well, you know, hey. See you.